Malik, how about for our fish today? You like it? The fish?
Yeah.
It's nice?
Yeah, but your cooking is not good.
Yeah, by your feet. You by your feet.
You cook by your slipper on your foot also.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
How are you? Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog,
your head is
guys.
like this.
Ay. Salita ako ng salita. Malik, enough.
I love you. They wish camel.
There's no camel here.
Yesterday I see, right?
It's not here.
Not here, I mean, the camel.
Where did they go?
Camel far in the desert before we
It's in
saw
the
it, right?
desert.
Far on the desert.
Salita ako ng salita kanina, guys.
I want to go to the farm.
Kala ko naka-on na,
Later
hindi
on
pala
naman,
naka-on yung video.
No, on the desert is the fire.
Far.
Nag-video ako, guys, dahil nag-complain sila sa niluto
I
ko.
will look.
Piniritong
Mom,
tilapia
tell me if
kanina.
there's camel. I will quickly see,
Kaya
okay?
tanungin natin siya bumalik. What about for my pritong tilapia? Bumalik,
Mama!
what happened for my pritong
Mama, I see
tilapia?
2 camel.
Arab fish.
Daddy, Daddy,
Hmm.
I see 2 camel.
Where?
There.
Ewan ko ay kasi bakit tumigas na nasunog.
Mama, I
Ay.
see 3 camel and
Hindi
2
naman siya
camel.
nasunog.
Mama,
Matigas lang yung pagkaprito. Ewan ko ba nangyari.
Ya Malik, wait, ya Malik, how can I drive like this?
I see 3 camel and 2 camel.
Wait, where's this one camel? Daddy camel.
It's not camel.
Oh, then, where you saw the camel? But there's no camel here.
It's behind us.
No,
See.
there's no camel here.
Where do you live?
It's in the desert.
Desert?
Yes,
Is the desert far or not far?
it's a far.
It is not near
Yes, it's not near here.
and it's not too slow. That is car is very slow.
Yes, because there's more car in our front.
Why are we buying fire?
Kasi ngayon guys, hindi maganda yung climate. Umuulan ng alikabok. Si Amado, they remove the leaves. I'm sure when winter come, then it will come more leaves for the...
Yeah, because I have more water.
Yeah, I think it's welcome.
Malik, how about for our fish today? You like it? The fish?
Yeah.
It's nice?
Yeah, but your cooking is not good.
Yeah, by your feet. You by your feet.
You cook by your slipper on your foot also.
Yeah.
How can I cook my feet, Yani? Tell me. Tell me, Daddy. How can I cook my feet? Tell me.
She won't understand. I'm not by his feet, ya Malik, right?
My head,
So,
Yani. My
it's
head.
very bad your food today.
Your head is nice ball.
My head, Yani, it's in down and then my feet on the top.
Yes.
Huh? Like
Yes.
that? What do you
Yeah.
think?
You added something wallahi for fish today?
No, no, no. Zamzam.
Hmm.
See the zamzam.
Yes, Zamzam.
Next time we visit.
Mama, did you keep vegetables on that fish?
Yeah, Baba?
Did you keep the vegetables on the fish?
Yeah.
That tilapia.
No, I did not put anything there. Only salt and same before. This magic syrup.
Salt?
Yes.
I don't like salt. Very salty for me. Which fish you keep?
Ayan.
Tilapia or
Yan yung,
Tuna fish.
yan yung complain nila guys. Matigas.
tuna fish?
Malik, just tell
Kasi-
Mama don't cook by your feet again.
Don't do that on your feet again, okay? Okay, that Mama.
Kasi ano, siguro.
Okay?
Alright. Okay. It's like you cut my head. My neck.
Yeah, never do that again.
Ikaw make it slowly for mommy. Make it slowly for mommy. I will throw outside.
Don't do that again.
Wag again. Mag-grocery kami kasi guys. Dito sa The
Grocery is
Jets.
the grocery is
Dito sa...
very,
what the name for this one now? The new one? City?
very,
Ah,
very, very,
What's one?
What is the grocery again?
City Center.
No, this is the name, no? City.
I forgot Allah.
Ano na to? Ang ganda ng mga...
Very. Mama, look.
Ganda ng mga ano dito. Okay?
What very, very man.
Hypermarket, the name now. Before City Center. Ngayon, hypermarket. Kaya yan guys, dito kami ngayon sa... Dati itong ano dati itong...
Very, what very, very.
Very is like far.
City Center. Ngayon,
Too much far.
hypermarket.
Daddy, what is
Zero,
this?
there's no parking there.
No.
Very nice.
Parking. Everyone park.
Zero.
Here.
Hmm? Yeah, I see.
Ayan.
They don't
we
park
are
very
here.
wrong. They park very wrong.
Si Babay na Malik.
Bye. Mama,
Pasok kami sa
Mama,
grocery.
don't do that again. Mom, if you cook by your feet, I'll make like this.
Yeah.
How can I cook my feet?
Don't do
You hit food kharab today, right?
if you cook by your feet,
Yeah.
I will make like this.
Yeah.
Malik, but you
I will
finish.
kill you. I will kill Mama then.
By feet today, not good Malik.
Yeah,
That's why you are not in a mood.
Yeah, he not good.
Daddy, look me.
Yeah.
Sige, if you kill me, then there's Mama can take care of you yan eh. Ha, Malik? Ayan, maaga tayo ngayon guys, kaya kita ko sa inyo yung climate sa labas.
Who opens this one?
Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo yung climate. Madadali. Malikabok yan guys. Ayan, malikabok.
What's he doing?
Mama, look, I'm touching the floor.
Okay, Ayan, malikabok. Mahangin. Kaya ayan, Ito. Para umuulan siya ng alikabok yan guys. Kaya hindi maganda yung climate. Si Malik.
Hello, Daddy. Hello, Mama.
Hi, Malik. Say hi, Nabi. Hi. Hi.
My feet here.
Oh, iyalag mo na. Stoy, come here na. Shh.
Oi.
Uy.
Yalla come down.
So, see, it's nice to go like this time.
Yalla.
Yala. Dati kami nag-grocery dito. Medyo malayo lang sa amin. Pero okay lang kasi may sakyan na naman siya bumalik.
Daddy, I will touch it. Wait.
Ha?
Mama, is there honey inside the flowers?
No, just check if there's a honey.
No, there I see honey.
Oh, see? Okay. Then,
Flower, bees eat honey.
we check the offer. Okay. There, open the... Yeah. Look open.
Mama, I want to show you something. Where is something?
Which one? Ah, this one nice. Huh?
Nice, you know.
One will blink.
The wall decor.
My one blink. You want to blink?
No, I don't know.
You don't have place, I make like smile. Picture that, you know.
Elephant. Daddy, elephant.
Where? Ah, yeah. Okay.
Very nice.
Enough na.
Can I?
Deer. There's a deer. Gazala.
Gazala, where is Gazala?
Why? Where's the gazala?
Mama, let me change.
No. Don't touch this one. No, enough na.
Yalla, America.
Ay, magaganda ng mga wall clock.
Yalla, with your tablet.
Wow.
Whoa.
Stoy.
Mama, look. Helicopter.
Ganyan kakulit si Malik
Mom,
guys.
Mom, tell me what is this?
No, that it's for what this one. No, what you will do this
We
one.
have a phone, huh?
We're
Nice
not,
to fall
I
down
did
like
not use that.
Daddy,
Take care, you fall down.
I'm not coming.
Let's go to.
Yeah, this one. No, what is this? Mama, Daddy. Helmet?
Then na, let's go na.
What is the face? This one.
Can you remove this?
No, that I can't.
Then I like the sword. Like in the front sword we need.
This knife is so.
That sword. This one, the small for him. It's sword also.
Yeah. I want the helmet. I want to protect it. I need helmet. I need a helmet. Like, what is my sword? Very tiny for me.
Yeah, that sword, no, with the
Big sword.
Egyptian like that, right? No, Egyptian, no?
Yeah, like this.
Oh,
Look, Daddy, look.
bit. Then na, let's go na. I think there's a sword already. This one, no?
No.
Ah, this one, the one on the up.
Yeah.
Same in the
Europe.
No, Europe. I think Egyptian.
No, Europe, this one. Only.
Wow, I like. What's this one?
Yalla, go first, yalla down.
We go down na. Leave this
Later on,
one
this one?
But I like this sword.
later on.
Later
Go
on, we'll
return
take it,
na.
yalla. When we come from that?
I'm very scared.
La, don't worry, تعال.
This sword is very nice, but I like this one.
تعال.
Okay, then na return
يلا
na.
تعال بطير يلا بطير يلا. يلا go up there.
They go up inside.
I like Saturday. I don't want helmet.
What's this one?
Sword.
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 Sword. What's your doing?
Like this. We start the war now.
Enough na, Dana. Let's go na.
There, now I want to use. Daddy, I was starting there.
Okay.
They go far from you.
There's no,
Sit down for
Daddy,
that.
Daddy, stay there.
there's
Don't fight
no
me.
people now, no?
Fight me.
ماشي يلا
Fight
fight.
me.
يلا you fight.
Fight me. Be die, Daddy, be die.
Sit down.
Daddy, be die.
Yala, let's go na.
Oh, I like my sword.
Okay,
I'll check this picture. Because very my sword is very big.
Yan guys, happy naman si Malik sa laruan niya. Kaya hanggang dito na lang guys.
Sit down.